What's up, y'all? It's the girl KDiani here, back with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you subscribe. And for those that have been watching my channel, what it do? What's up? So today I'm gonna make an attempt to do a perm rod set. I have washed my hair, so now I'm detangling, as you can see. So now I'm just gonna pick up my hair. I'm not really gonna do like precise sectioning because it's just a preference for me. Don't want to have my sections so precise, you know what I'm saying? So then I'm just gonna grab this section right here, that little section, yep, that right there, and I'm gonna use my Aunt Jackie's leave-in conditioner. It's an ultra hydrating leave-in conditioner. And I'm going to use some type of mousse. It has Moroccan oil in it. So, you know, that's good for the hair. So I'm going to just put that in there. Going to use my Denman brush and distribute it, you know, evenly distribute that thing in there. Then I'm going to put my perm rod on there. Straight like that. Make sure my ends are secured and roll all the way up. So throughout the video, you're going to see me do like the same thing over and over and over again. As you can see, like my sectioning is nowhere near like perfect because like I don't want it to be perfect. You know, when you part your hair, it be staying like that, and I don't want it to stay like that. So this is like a more up close of how I do it. I'm already in the front part. It didn't even take me that long to put these in my hair because I didn't do the precise sectioning once again. So once I finish this last section right here, I'm gonna go ahead and sit under a hooded dryer. Now I have somewhere to be because it is Christmas Day, and I decided to do this really late, so I don't know how long I'm gonna be there, probably like an hour under there, but hopefully my hair comes out right. Time for the takedown. So as you can see, it looks pretty dry, like I would say 95% dry, 5% still damp. Like that piece right there was totally damp, but I was like, I have somewhere to be, so I'm just gonna take them down anyways. I'm pretty sure if I would have let them sit longer, they would have came out really, really nice. Look how pretty that curl was. Some of these, like, they came out really nice, and I was so surprised from my first time doing them, even though I didn't do them properly, you feel me? So I'm just gonna give my hair a little good shake here. As you can see, like, some of my hair looks like my natural curly hair, like it didn't curl all the way from the perm rod, but that's okay. So I'm just gonna separate the hair how they want to be separated, of course. And as I was separating my hair, I can feel like it was still damp. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna diffuse the rest of this hair. So that's what you see me doing. I'm flipping my hair from side to side and the back to the front, so that way I can get some type of volume in my hair. And using the diffuser really came in clutch, because I was going to be highly upset if my hair came out like totally wrong. Like, I spent all this time putting them in and they looked really nice, and I didn't want them to go to waste. So I'm just going to separate them some more. And I'm going to give it a little shake. And I'm going to figure out how I'm going to wear my hair to go wherever I have to go. So I decided I wanted to wear my hair like parted to the side, fluff it up some, give it some volume. I couldn't find my pick, so I had to use my hands. So to make it look more alive, I'm going to do my little edges or whatever. I used the Got To Be Good edge. It's not an edge control, but the gel, the black bottle. And that's basically how I fix my failed and first attempt perm rod set. It doesn't look bad, but it ain't the best either. But if you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.